Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to make a game in Roblox step by step. First, you need to open the roblox.com. After opening, you need to press on create button. Once you press on create button, you will find a start creating button. You need to press on start creating button. Once you press, it will help us to download the Roblox Studio file. After downloading the Roblox Studio file, you need to install the Roblox file, which means the Roblox Studio will be installed to your PC. After installing the Roblox file, you need to open it. After open it, how it will look like? It will look like this. Yeah. Once you open the Roblox Studio, in here you have options: new file. You can open a new project, or you can start making a new project. In here you will find all templates. We have a base plate template, classic base plate, and so on other. We have my own games. For example, if you made any project and after you saved it, it will be saved in here in my games. You will find in here we have recently which project you work on, and we have archive. So we are now in the new tab. In new tab, let's start. We create an OB game. For the OB game, we will use a base plate. I will click on a base plate. After clicking on base plate, it will open a base plate for us. In here, you see that we have one normal base plate. In this base plate, you can make your own game. At the top, you will find tabs. We have home tab, we have model tab, avatar tab, test, view, plugins. You will learn all of them step by step. In the home tab, let me show you the basics tools that we use, which is selection. You can select a part, which is move. You can select or move the part. The another tool is called scale. Scale is for resizing an object, or we can say a part. We have rotate. You can rotate an object, which is part, and other tools or other objects. Okay, so this was the basic tools. Let me show you how you can use these basic tools. For example, I want to make an OB game. For OB game, I would like to delete the base plate. For deleting the base plate, I need to go to Explorer. In Explorer, I need to open the workspace. Once I open the workspace, I select the base plate and I click on delete button. It will help me to delete the base plate. We will have only our spawn location available with us. So in this spawn location, what we will do in here, we are trying to add parts, and so we can make our OB. So for that one, in here and insert in home tab, you will find insert area. In this insert area, you will find part, you will find toolbox in UI. For the toolbox in UI, you will learn about it. Let's talk about the part. In here in part, we have different parts. We have block, sphere, wedge, corner wedge, and cylinder. For now, we will use a normal part. So for adding a part, you need to make sure that if your camera is at the top of the spawn location, so the file or the part cannot go far from this area. So I click on part, it will put the part in this area, and the part is available. We try our tools. Select is for selection. Yeah, we have selected our part, as you can see. Let's try for the move. Once you click on move, you will find 3 colors. Using these 3 colors, you can bring him up, down, left, right side, and we can say 5 or 4 more ways. Okay, so let me try. I'm going to drag it to the left side. I'll drag it to the here. This is how you can drag up and left and down. Okay, the green one for up and down, and the blue one for left and right side, and this one for the corners. Okay, so I'm going to drag to fix it. Now we're going to use the second tool. Second tool is for scaling. In the scale also, you will find same colors: green, red, and blue. What is actually green, red, and blue? This one, red, green, blue. This one stands for RGB. RGB means red, green, blue. So using RGB, you can give a scale to X, Y, Z. Okay, X stands for the red, Y stands for the green, and Z stands for the blue. Okay, so we use X and Y in here. These are X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. So I'm going to use these 3 axes. I can resize them. I can give a scale to a part or an object. I'm going to scale it to this side and a little bit to this side also. Okay, the scale is done. In here I want to change the color. For changing color, in the home tab you will find edit. Once you find edit, you need to click on colors. You can select your color. Which color do you want to have the part? In here I will give a color, a normal color, let's say blue color. I give a blue color to the part. For the rotate, I will show you one example. Once you click the same, you will find three colors. You can rotate them the way you want, left, right side, and those three sides you can make them move. And now for holding the part to not fall down, I'm going to use a new property. It's called anchored property. What does anchored property do? This anchored will help the part to hold it in the same place, to not fall down or to not move to right and left and down. Okay, so for that's why we use anchored. I will click on anchored. So the part is now anchored. When I do live test or I play the game, the part will be available for us. Okay, so our part is available in here with us. You can see the part that we have added, the color is okay and it's not falling down. So now I can walk through it, I can jump, and as you can see, this is how it works. Okay, so the first part is done. That's how we can add the part. I will click on stop. Okay, so the first part is available. Okay, so this was the basic one, only just we add one part. In next video we will make the full game. This was only just to show you how to use the Roblox tools, Roblox Studio tools, how to download the Roblox, and these are the basic tools, which is select, move, scale, and rotate. Okay, so this was all for this video. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video.